Hey, what's up, makers? It's nighttime here and it's friggin' cold. Have you seen the snow? You guys see my post yesterday about printing on my truck, so I've decided to make you a little tour. There's my babies. Yep, bring it up. It's cold. Yep. Hey, remove your shoes, please, and don't look too much for the mess. It's the driving parts. My computer stand where I can work on 3D print and other stuff. Some goodies to eat. Sleeping spot. Special filament. Sometimes I try to print with that, but it's a bit oversized, but that smells good. And you need filaments. Shout out to Ron and Filament.ca. It's very good stuff. I love it. This is why I print yesterday. And seriously, it's not bad at all. You have to say Quebec roads are very, very pity. But Monoprice Mini did a good job. I think it's not bad for printing on the road, you know. Here's the printer spot. Monoprice Mini. Funny fact, today I broke the little handle on my hoodies. You know that thing you lift the zipper? So I have my printer, I print one. I love printing. Think useful. This is a master spool from Filament.ca. Yeah, there we go, guys. That's my little spot for the week. Hope you like it. You can subscribe, pull a thumbs up if you like, and drive safely, guys. Bye bye.